Avery, I brought these back for you.
Okay. Oh, that's very sweet.
Oh, the one's on the roof.
Oh.
Juicy.
Did you miss us?
Yes. That's why I'm coming early.
Let's do two.
I can't find it, and I couldn't find it earlier, and now I'm stressing out.
Mark on the leg. Trying to clear the truck out of
I
it.
know, but I bought myself a pair of earrings that were really cute. They're like stone earrings. And I bought you a cute little trinket.
What? Find what? Did you get that on tape?